polished, radio-ready sound.
AI can also help musicians overcome creative roadblocks. Songwriting tools powered by AI can generate chord progressions, melodies, and even lyrical ideas based on user input.
Furthermore, AI democratizes music production by making it more accessible to a wider audience.
Section 5. The human touch, limitations and ethical concerns of AI music. While AI's foray into music is undeniably impressive, it's crucial to acknowledge the limitations and ethical considerations that arise alongside this technological advancement.
Despite its ability to mimic human creativity, AI still lacks the emotional depth, lived experiences, and nuanced understanding of human emotion that imbues music with its true power.
This raises concerns about the potential homogenization of music if AI-generated tracks become the dominant force in the industry.
Another ethical concern is the potential for job displacement. If AI can compose, produce, and even perform music, what does this mean for the livelihoods of human musicians, producers, and sound engineers?
The integration of AI into the music industry requires careful consideration and ethical reflection. Section 6. A harmonious collaboration? Envisioning the future of music with AI. The emergence of AI in music presents both exciting opportunities and valid concerns.
While some view AI as a threat to human creativity, others see it as a powerful tool that can augment and enhance our musical abilities.
Imagine a world where AI assists musicians in songwriting, providing inspiration and helping them overcome creative blocks.
AI could also personalize the music listening experience, creating custom soundtracks tailored to individual preferences and moods.
Furthermore, AI could break down barriers in music education, making it easier for aspiring musicians to learn instruments, compose songs, and produce their own tracks.
The key lies in striking a balance between leveraging AI's capabilities and preserving the essence of human creativity.
Section 7. The soul of music: why AI won't replace human musicians. As AI continues to make its mark on the music industry, it's natural to wonder if robots will replace human musicians.
While AI can compose catchy tunes and mimic creativity, there's an essence of human musicianship AI can't replicate.
Human musicians draw inspiration from their experiences, joys, and sorrows. The raw energy of a live performance makes human music captivating. AI will evolve in the music industry but won't replace the soul of